Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get money via Zelle without a bank account. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to get yourself a prepaid debit card. This is because some prepaid debit cards are compatible with Zelle, especially those on Visa or MasterCard. Make sure to choose a card that links your phone number or email address. Also make sure that the card requires a billing address. Now download the Zelle application and open it up, and now enter the email address and phone number that is associated with your debit card. Now on the Find Your Bank screen, you'll see several options. Click on Don't See Your Bank so that you can proceed with a prepaid debit card. Now enter your debit card details. That includes entering your first and last name, your card's expiration date, and also the CVV number. Once you've given this information, tap on Continue. Now you'll need to enter the address. Make sure to choose the one you've connected with your debit card. Now just complete creating your account. Currently, it is unclear that prepaid debit cards are allowed on Zelle or not. That is why every prepaid debit card might not work. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.